It's Labor Day weekend. What does it mean for Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers?
Well, I think like it states like like freedom in general, like in Italy, and like the importance of work. So you see here these people here like they're not working because it's celebrated, and it should be nice day celebrated.
I think going on the streets for laborers' rights, for workers' rights and equality in general.
It's my favorite holiday. We are workers, so we want to defend our rights.
For you?
A little bit, yeah, still. It's some kind of remembering on actual the fight in the past from people that has suffered a lot.
I never really thought about it, to be true. I don't know.
All the rights that we have as workers, so I think that is a really nice thing. Also here in Trieste I saw that there are people walking down on streets and speaking and say what they want to say, so